Today is Teach You Rotate tool. It can be used to rotate and copy points, lines, and primitives. Left-click to select the line and right-click to confirm. Left-click on the rotation center point and the moving point. Move the mouse over the point and left-click to finish. Box select lines. Right-click to confirm. Click Shift to change function. Left-click the rotation center point and the moving point to rotate lines. Left-click in the blank area to display the dialog. Edit the angle or width in the dialog. Click OK to finish. Thanks for watching.